Okay, so now I'm on exercise 606, and this has got to do with expressing amounts as fractions and percentages. And let's do an example where I'm told, if you look in your book, example 14, I'm told that there are 250 people, and who are at a school fete, and 160 of them were children. So 160 of these people were children. And I'm asked the first part I'm asked is, what fraction of the people at the fete were the children? So what fraction of the people at the fete were the children? What fraction is 160 of 250? So what we normally do with fractions, you can see I've got it written here on the side. The first thing we want to do with fractions is you put the part amount over the whole amount. So what's the part amount here? The part amount is 160 children. So what we say is that it's 160 over the whole amount, which in this case would be 250. Now that's the fraction, but that's not, of course, simplified. So what we need to do is simplify. So you know how to do that. Easy. Let's first of all cancel the zeros. Now we've got 16 on 25. What number goes into both 16 and 25? Well, I can only think of 5 going into 25, but 5 doesn't go into 16. So in this case, we're left with this as my fraction. So my fraction really now, I can rewrite that as 16 over 25, and this now is the answer for part A. So 16 over 25 is the fraction of children to the total number of people. Part B now asks me and says, what percentage of the people at the fete were the children? So what percentage is 160 children of the people at the fete? And whenever we're asked the percentage, we take the fraction and we multiply that by 100%. So to get the percentage, you take the fraction, 16 over 25, and you multiply that by 100%. This is the way we make anything into a percentage. You multiply it by 100%. Now, of course, in this case, what we need to do is we need to simplify, or we need to find out how we can cancel so that we can come up with a percentage that is straight out a whole number that's expressed as a percent. So we need to cancel wherever we can. So we can cancel 25 with 100. So 25 into 25 goes once. 25 into 100 goes 4 times. So now I've got ones on the bottom, and I'm left with 16 times 4 on top. And if you put that in the calculator, you'll find that 16 times 4 is 64%. So that means the percentage of children at the fete, expressed as a percentage of the whole number of people, or the total number of people, that means the total number of people, 64% is the number of children compared to the total number of people. Good.